Action.
Hi everyone, I'm Evan and today I'm opening up the My Workshop set. Comes with a pair of goggles, a hammer, this thingy, a drill, and a few screws and this thingy. So we're gonna open up today and watch this. Ching! I finished opening it now, and now I'm going to show some of the neat features about it. See, if you do this, and then you do this, neat, right? Make sure you saw that while you were looking on the screen. See it on the screen? Good. And get ready to cover your ears because this is gonna be loud. And the goggles. Look at me, baby. I'm a goggle man. Sorry, guys. Felt like a goggle man for a second. And you can make this talk like this. Blah, 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 blah. And you can turn this around like a ball, see? And if you pull this trigger, this happens. And here I go, see, look. And I'm gonna give them the other one.
I think you have to use this for that one. Screw it in.
Oh yeah, I need a screw it in maybe. Looks like you gotta use the hammer, like the chamber. See it, guys?
Okay, what's our final review on this toy?
Story. Final part. Get ready for the story. What should I make today? I should make a drill. What do I need here? Here's my voracious drill. Now I can destroy Batman with it. And all the superheroes.